Hello everyone, this is Y Manik Reddy from CSM branch. My topic is about the principles and applications of UV visible light. Contents: Introduction, Principles of UV visible spectroscopy, Applications of UV visible spectroscopy, Advantages, Disadvantages, and Conclusion. Introduction: Ultraviolet visible spectroscopy is a widely used analytical technique that involves the measurement of the absorption of ultraviolet and visible light by a substance. This technique is based on the principle that molecules absorb specific wavelengths of light, resulting in electronic transitions between energy levels. UV spectrum has a broad range of applications in various scientific and industrial fields, including chemistry, biochemistry, environmental science, pharmaceuticals, and material sciences. Principles of UV visible spectroscopy. Electronic transitions. UV spectroscopy primarily involves electronic transitions in molecules. When a molecule absorbs energy in the form of light, electrons move to higher energy levels, causing transitions between electronic states. Beer-Lambert law. Beer-Lambert law describes the relation between the absorbance concentration of absorbing species and the path of sample. Absorbance is directly proportional to concentration and path length, and it is influenced by the molar absorptivity, which is constant for a given substance at a specific wavelength. Applications of UV visible spectroscopy. Quantitative analysis. UV spectroscopy is widely used for quantitative analysis of the concentration of a substance in a solution. The Beer-Lambert law allows researchers to determine the concentration of an analyte based on its absorbance. Drug discovery. In pharmaceutical research, UV spectroscopy is employed to analyze the concentration of drugs, state drug receptor interactions, and assess the purity of pharmaceutical compounds. Biochemical studies. Researchers use UV spectra to study biomolecules such as protein, nucleic acids, and enzymes. The technique aids in understanding the structure, conformational changes, and interactions of these biomolecules. Quality control in industries. Industries, especially in the chemical and food sectors, use UV spectroscopy for quality control purposes. It helps ensure the consistency and purity of products. Advantages of UV visible spectroscopy. UV visible spectroscopy allows for accurate and quantitative analysis of the concentration of a substance in a sample. UV visible spectroscopy can be applied to a broad range of compounds, including organic and inorganic molecules. UV visible measurements are relatively fast and straightforward. UV visible spectroscopy provides qualitative information about the electronic structure of a compound. UV visible spectrophotometers are generally most cost effective compared to some other analytical instruments. It does not provide detailed information about molecule geometry or bonding. Water strongly absorbs in the UV region, which can be problematic when analyzing samples dissolved in aqueous solutions. At high concentration, deviation from Beer's law may occur due to interactions between molecules. The absorption characteristics of some compounds can be temperature dependent. In mixtures of compounds, absorption bands may overlap, making it difficult to deconvolute the contributions of individual components. UV visible spectroscopy is most effective for molecules with conjugated double bonds or aromatic structures. It does not provide detailed information about molecular geometry or bonding. Water strongly absorbs in the UV region, which can be problematic when analyzing samples dissolved in aqueous solution. At high concentration, deviations from Beer's law may occur due to interactions between molecules. The absorption characteristics of some compounds can be temperature dependent. In mixtures of compounds, absorption bands may overlap, making it difficult to deconvolute the contributions of individual compounds. Analytical technique with widespread applications across scientific and industrial domains. Its principles rooted in the quantization of energy and electronic transitions within molecules allow for the precise determination of concentration and characterization of substances. The Beer-Lambert law forms the backbone of quantitative analysis, making UV spectroscopy an invaluable tool for researches and analysis. The applications of UV visible spectroscopy are deserved and impactful. Thank you.